Titties, knockers, bazongas too. Bubbles, melons, I salute you. Cups run wild from small to large. All of them stunning, all in charge. High and round or soft and low. Different roads, same holy glow. Little moons and full on art. Every shape can steal my heart. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Big or tiny, side by side. Perfect chaos certified. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Nipples like the cherry on top. Areolas making jaws drop. Chest pillows, honkers, chesty cakes. Some are gentle, some are great. One hangs left, one sits proud. Nature said, let's get loud. A little bump, a grand parade. Perky, plush, or slightly swayed. Bra or no bra, still elite. That's premium breast technique. Stripes, freckles, little scars. Battle maps and lucky stars. Every mark tells where you've been, and still you walk in like a queen. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Boobs, hooray. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Oh, big or tiny, side by side. Perfect chaos certified. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Boobs, boobs, hooray. Nipples like the cherry on top. Areolas making jaws drop. I love the way they break the mold, soft and brave and oddly bold. Two free miracles left and right, making the planet more polite.